Good morning everyone. Welcome to our video sessions. Today we do exercise 1.3. Last class we completed our exercise 1.2. Now we find the answers with questions from exercise 1.3. Now find the question. Then exercise 1.3 question number 1. Number 1. First question is what? Find the question. How can we find when we divide number? What division, dividends and divisors? Then we got the question. So today we learn about the question. Okay. The question is what? Find the question. It is number 1. So how can we find the question? Here 36 divide minus 9. We know that the rules, that means what? That implements in multiplication and division, the minus are similar. We know that what? Minus divided by minus equal to plus, plus divided by plus, plus divided by plus equal to plus, minus divided by plus equal to minus, plus divided by minus equal to minus. We know that the rules. So here see, minus here no send that in plus, and plus divided by minus equal to minus. We know the table of 9. 9 to the 36. The answer is, the question is minus 4. Now we will do second bit. What is second bit here? 24 divided by minus 8. 24 divided by minus 8. Again plus into minus, minus 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 24. Next question, minus 48 divided by minus 16. Third question. Minus 48 divided by minus 16. 16 1 is 16. 16 2 is 32. 16 3 is 48. So we write here plus minus minus plus 16 3 is 48. Answer is what? 3. Now fourth bit. Fourth bit is what? 0 divided by 7 equal to what? 0. We know that if you divide any number by 0 or divide by 0, then answer is always 0. So when any number we multiply by 0, then answer is 0. Now we do fifth bit. What is fifth bit is here? Fifth bit minus 78 divided by minus 26. Minus 78 divided by minus 26. We know that minus into minus plus, minus divided by minus plus. So 26 3 is 78. How we know? 3 6 is 18. 31 3 is 7. If we multiply question with dividend and divisor, that's what the answer. Now sixth bit. What is sixth bit? Minus 168 divided by 14. Minus 168 divided by 14. You know that plus divided by minus or minus divided by plus equal to minus. 14 1 is 14. Okay. 2 14 2 is 28. The answer is minus 12. Now 7 bit. What is 7 bit here? 7 bit question is 19 divided by 19. 19 divided by minus 20. If we divide with same number, then always it should be 1. So 19 divided by 19 1 plus into minus 1. Answer is what? Minus 1. Clear about it? What is the answer? Now we will do last number. That one is 8 bit. With 8. That means 8 bit is what, sir? 71 divided minus 1. Okay. We know that if we divide any number by 1, the number is always same, and also any numbers multiplied by 1, the number is same. So here plus or minus 71. This is the questions of your number 1. It is very easy. All of you know how can you divide. You learn from the class 1 divisions. So these are the questions. Now we will do number 2. Okay. What is number 2? Number 2. Write the corresponding division facts. That means number 2. नहीं, ठीक। ओके, नाउ राइट द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग डिवीजन फैक्ट्स फॉर डिवीजन फैक्ट्स फॉर each of the following multiplication, each of the following multiplication facts. That means what? Multiplication facts is given. Multiplication facts is given. We change into division facts. How can you change multiplication into division? See, question 1. First question is here. 7 into minus 5 equal to minus 35. It is what? Multiplication facts when we convert into division facts. Then solution is what here? Here, minus 35 divided by minus 5. 35 divided by minus 5 equal to minus plus 7. We got the 7. Now 35 minus 35 divided by 7 equal to 7 by 35. So you write here minus 5. It is the process. Multiplications facts to change into division facts. Two numbers. Two number is what? Here two number question is 9 into 72. 9 into 8 equal to 72. We can easily write it in division facts. 72 divided by 9 equal to 8. 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. It is the solution of second bit. Now third bit. What is third bit? Third bit is minus 10 into 11. There minus 10 into 11 equal to minus 110 is there. Now we change into solution. Here then we can divide 110 divided by 11 equal to 4. Minus 10. Now 110 minus divided by minus 10 equal to 11. Equal to 11 is there. It is the what? Instead of multiplication facts, we can change it to the division facts. Now fourth bit. What is fourth bit is minus 9 into minus 13. Here minus 9 into minus 13 is there. Then minus 9 into minus what? 39 the 117 minus into minus plus is there. So 117 divided by minus 9 equal to minus 13, and 117 divided by minus 13 equal to minus 9. It is the what? The division facts of multiplication. Now fifth bit. Fifth bit is here minus 4 into 4. Here that means minus 4 into 4 equal to minus 16 is here. Here minus 16 solution. Here also solution. Here also solution. 16 divided by 4 equal to minus 4. Minus 16 divided by minus 4 equal to 4. See, then I hope all of you understood how can we change multiplication facts into division facts. Remains 6 bits. That means only one bit is left, that you do yourself. Only I will left for only one bit for you. You do yourself like this. Follow the process and change the multiplication facts into division facts. Now we will do number 3. That one is what? Fill in the blanks. Okay, number 3. Now we will do number 3. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here, fill in the blanks. See, here is first bit. 294 divided by 1. We know that if we divide by any numbers with 1, answer is always same. 220 remains same. 294. Now second bit. Minus 111 divided by minus 111. Here we know that minus divided by minus equal to plus. Obviously plus. Now it will if you divide same number, any number with same number, that means itself. If you divide 5 itself, that means the answer is always 1. So 111 divided by 111 equal to 1. Now then here is the length. Okay. Here is the length. Is there now? Third bit. Third bit is what here? Dex. That means divided by minus 27 equal to minus 1. Think which numbers divided by 27, then we got the minus 1. The same number itself, so here we write here 27, because 27 divided by 27 equal to 12, plus into minus, plus into divide, plus or divided by minus equal to minus. Now 4 bits. Okay, what is the fourth bit is what's here? Fourth bit is dex divided by 0. Dex divided by 43 equal to 0. We know that if you divide any number by 0 or any number by 0, then 0. 0 divided by 43 equal to 0. Clear about it? What is the answers? Now we will do number fifth. Okay, minus 152. Minus 152 divides dex. Okay, equal to 1. So you know that 1 is there, so the number is 152. The numbers divided itself, then it gives the constant is always 1. Okay, now we will do number 6 bit. Number 6. Dex divided minus 1 equal to 73. You know that plus into minus, minus, or minus divided by minus equal to minus. So we write here minus 73. Minus 73 divided by minus 1 equal to 73. Clear? Keep it. That means divided by 0, divided by 1, and divided by itself. If you divided by itself the number, then the answer is 1. If you divided by the 1, the number is same. If you divided by the number by 0, then the answer is always 0. Clear about it? Now we will do number 4. 4 bit. That means not 14, number 4. 4. What is 4? Number 4. Question. If A is a negative, A is a negative integer. Find A is a negative integer, then find the value of A by A. Here absolute value sign is there, so we know that absolute value always gives positive. So A is a negative number, so we can take here solution. Right, minus A. A is a negative number, minus A. Then we put the value of A. So minus A by A. Here not break it here absolute value. And absolute value always gives positive. That means A by minus A equal to minus 1. Answer is 1. The number is divisible by n and always 1. Number 5. Number 5. What is find which of the following do not represent an integer? Number 5 question is what? Find which of the following do not do not represent an integer. That means the question is given and do not following the integers. So we can solve them. Right? See, 0 by 7. 0 divided by 7 equal to what? 0 is integers. Is integers. Now, second bit is what? 15 divided minus 5. 15 divided minus 5 equal to 5 to 15 minus 3 is integer. Now third bit is here. Minus 4 divided by 4. Minus 4 divided by 4 equal to minus 1 is integer. fourth bit. Fourth bit is here 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4 that means 6 by 4 equal to 2 3 are 2 2 are 3 by 2. Not in integers. Not in integers. Now we will do number fifth. Fifth bit. Fifth bit is what? Fifth bit is here minus 9 divided by 1. Minus 9 divided by 1 equal to minus 9 and integers. And integers now 6 bit. 6 bit is what? Minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 divided by minus 2 equal to 2 and integer. Now 7 bit. 7 bit is what? 70 divided by 8. Minus 70 divided by 8 equal to minus 70 by 8 equal to number 3 by 4. So 4 1 by 4, 2 and 6 by 4. By mistakenly I write 78 and don't mind now 70 minus 70 by 8. When we reduce it to 4, 4 1 that means 35 2 by 4 4 so 35 by 4. Not integers. Not an property. What are integers? Okay. Now number 7 bits is completed. Then 8 bit. 8. Here we do 8 minus 1 divided by 1 equal to 1 and integer. And integers. Okay. So see, we got the all solutions. 1 number integers, 2 number integers, 3 number integers, 4 number is not integers, and 7 bit is not integers. That means here only 2 bits, 4 bit and 7 bit is not represent integers. Then hence we can write that hence we can say that fourth and 7 is not an integer, not represent an integer. Integers, okay. That means 2 bits are there and that is not represented integers. Now we will do number 6. Okay. Number 6. Number 6. Now we will do number 6. What is the question? Write all the integers. Write all the integers. Write all the integers which are divisible by. Which are divisible by 5 and lie between minus 22 80 excluding minus 20 and 80. Minus 20 and 80. Okay. That means what? We can find out the numbers that is divisible of 5 except 20 and 80. Then we know that what is the divisible rules? The number which sells unit place is 0 and 5. That number is divisible by 5. So solution. Okay. Then we write here minus 20. Then comes minus 15. Then minus 10. Then 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Then which number is excluded? Minus 20 and 80. Then you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So hence 18 numbers. How many numbers? Write all the numbers. Which are there? Then 18 numbers are divisible by the what? 5. And the answer, these are the numbers which are the 18 number. How many numbers? 18 number. That means from minus 15 to 75. This is the number that are divisible by 5. Clear? What are the divisible by 5? Now we will do number 7. Numbers, total how many numbers? Total 18 numbers that are divisible by 5. Okay. Now we will do number. Which of the following statement are true? Then we can find numbers. Which of the following? Which of the following statement are true? Which are true? When we can write the true statements. Now question. True statement. What is the question? First question is 0 divided by 0, 1. 0 divided by 2. Question is here 0 divided by 2. That means when number divided by 0 equal to 0 is 2. Okay. Now second bit. Second bit is what? 0 divided by minus 5. 0 divided by minus 5. Also 0 also. That means what? If we divide any number by 0, then it should be what? 0. That's why 2. Then third bit. Minus 15 divided by 0. Also 0. This one also true. Now we will do fourth bit. What is fourth bit here? Fourth bit is minus 11 divided by 0. Minus 11 divided by 0 equal to minus 11. It should false. It means false. That means what? The numbers divided by 0 always 0, but here minus 11. That's why this one is false. Now we will do fifth bit. What is fifth bit? Fifth bit is 0 divided by 0 equal to 0. That means true. 0 divided by 0 equal to 0. True. Sixth bit. Sixth bit is here minus 6 divided by minus 6 equal to 0. That means minus 6 divided by minus 6 equal to 0 should be false. That means how many statements are true? And one, big one, two, third, and fifth. These are true statement, and except others are false statement. Okay. Now I will do next number. Okay. Now I will do number 8. Question is here. Verify that. That means we will verify. Verify that. What can we verify here? A divided by B plus C not equal. A divided by B plus A divided by C. A divided by B plus A divided by C. A divided by C. Okay. Here the value is given. The A, B, C given for each of the following. For each of the following. Each of the following. If value of A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Here A equal to 12, B equal to minus 4, C equal to 7. A equal to 12, B equal to minus 4 c equal to 2 minus 4 c equal to 2, then solution. Solution what? A divided by b plus c, a divided by b plus a divided by c. We can verify that LHS equal to RHS. Here a equal to what? 12, so we need instead of 12. B equal to minus 4, c equal to 2. Now a equal to what? 12 divided by b equal to minus 4 plus a equal to 12 divided by 2. Okay, see here now 12. First to the bracket box, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 is there. Here 12 divided by 4 equal to minus 3 plus 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Okay, now 2 divided by 12 equal to minus 6, minus 3 plus 6, minus 6 equal to 3. Okay, see, value of a is 12, we write here 12, b equal to minus 4, then minus 4, c equal to 2. So 12 minus 2 here, minus 2 is there, that is it is minus 2 divided by 6 equal to minus 6. Now a equal to 12, so minus 3 is there, now 12 divided by equal to 6. 6 minus 3 equal to 3 and 12 divided by minus 2 equal to 2. So here verified. Answer is verified. Clear about it? How can you verify the answer? So answer is verified. Now you will do next item number second one. Okay. Now we will do second bit. Value of second a equal to 10, b equal to 1, a equal to 10, b equal to 1, and c equal to 1. C equal to also 1. Then solution. Here, we see a divided by b plus c equal a divided by b plus a divided by c. Okay. Now a divided by b plus c divided by a plus c equal to a equal to what? 10, 10 divided b 1, c 1. Not equal a divided by 10 divided by 1 plus 10 divided by 1. Okay, 10 divided by 10 divided by 1. So 10 divided 1, 1, 2. Not equal 10 divided by 1 equal to 10. 10 divided by 1 equal to 10. Plus, okay, 2 times 10. 1 equal 10 plus 10, 20. Here both sides not equal, that is verified. Okay, not equal, that is equal. Verified. See, let's just equal to RHS, both sides not same, so verified. Okay, now we will do number 9. Okay. What is the number? Write any 4 pairs A, B and which says A divided by minus 2. That means we change word. Write any 4 pair, any 4 pairs numbers A and B. Okay. For which A divided by B, for which A divided by B equal to minus 2. That means we take numbers 4 pairs, that when we divided, then the answer is A divided by 2, A divided by B equal to minus 2. Then solution. We take a pairs, let 4 pairs. Solution 4 pairs, 4 numbers, 4 pairs of pairs are here 6 and minus 3, 1 pair 8 minus 4, and second pair 10 minus 5, third pair here a equal to 6, b equal to -3, equal to -2 for 1. Okay, no, okay, then 6, 3 to the 6, -2 plus -2 equal to -2. Verify. So that means what we learn here? We learn here, but a divided by b equal to -2. That means here a number is twice of its number. That means dividend is twice of a divider. Just twice of divider, next twice of divider, and so on. Then we can verify all the numbers a divided by b equal to -2, and these are the pairs. You take yourself also many numbers. Okay. Now we will do number 10. Number 10. What is the last number of our exercise? So see the board. The product means first when you multiply two numbers, then you got the product of two integers. Of two integers is product of two integers is what? 40. Is 40. If one of the two integers is, if one of the two integers is -8. One of two integers is what? -8. What is the other integer? This is what is the other integer? Here question is asked product of two integers. That means when we multiply two numbers, then we got the what? Answer is 40. And if one integer is -8, then we can find the other integers. Then other integers are what? Then we can solve the answer. Okay. Yeah. Product of two integers. Product of two integers is one integers is -8. So other integer is equal to product of two integers by one number. So here other number product of two integers by one number, product inverse 50 by -8 equal to -5. Hence other integer is what? And other integers is -5. Now if you want to verify it, let -5 into 8, -8 equal to 40, -5 minus plus 8 as a 40. That's result. We can also verify another out. Then another integer is 5 and one integer is -8. Okay. I hope all of you understood properly. How can you find the quotients by using integers numbers, and we will do the next exercise in our next class. Okay. Have a good day.